EaglePicher Technologies in Quapaw, Oklahoma, engineered a new process in which 5 high-purity bulk chemicals are transferred, weighed, and conveyed to a mixing system using both flexible screw conveyors and a pneumatic conveying system from Flexicon. Bulk bags containing 4 of the materials are unloaded with 4 separate bulk-out model BFC dischargers, each equipped with a flexible screw conveyor. Handheld sacks containing the 5th minor ingredient are manually dumped into a Flexicon bag dump station, which is also equipped with a flexible screw conveyor. All 5 flexible screw conveyors lead to a central gain-in-weight hopper, suspended from load cells, that signal a PLC when to start and stop each conveyor in sequence according to batch weights gained by the hopper. The PLC then actuates a slide gate valve that discharges weighed batches into a Y diverter that automatically directs material into one of 2 feed streams according to programmed recipes. 3 of the ingredients are routed into a dry blender for mixing, and then into a surge hopper prior to being pneumatically conveyed to a wet blender. The remaining 2 ingredients bypass the dry blender and are routed to the same surge hopper prior to being pneumatically conveyed into the wet blender. A rotary airlock valve meters material into the Pneumaticon pneumatic conveying line that leads to a filter receiver positioned above the wet blender. A second rotary valve, also under automated control, discharges all batch contents from the filter receiver into the wet blender. The material drops through a pneumatically actuated slide gate, which is closed after the batch is delivered to prevent moisture from accumulating on the vanes of the rotary valve during the wet mixing process. According to EaglePicher's manager of operations, Flexicon had the weighing and batching experience to supply a unique integrated turnkey system, including PLC-based controls with guaranteed accuracies. He said that Flexicon's bulk bag discharger with patented bag spout interface was the best his company encountered for maintaining a sealed system during unloading, and that Flexicon was the only company to propose a vacuum pneumatic system combined with mechanical conveying, which proved the most advantageous solution for EaglePicher's requirements. See the full line of Flexicon bulk bag dischargers, flexible screw conveyors, pneumatic conveyors, bag dump stations, and weigh batching systems at flexicon.com.